Want to transform raw data into stunning, insightful reports that tell a story? Let's dive into creating dynamic reports with Looker Studio. First, let's create a new report. Click the Create button in the top left corner. Then select Report. Next, connect your data. Choose your desired data source from the list. For this example, let's select Google Sheets. We'll need to authorize Looker Studio to access your Google account. Now, find and select the specific Google Sheet containing the data you want to use. Then, choose the worksheet within that sheet that holds your data. Finally, click Add. Great, we're in the report editor to visualize your data. Go to the toolbar and insert your chart. Looker Studio offers a wide range of charts, like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and tables. Let's choose a simple bar chart. Click and drag on the canvas to place the chart. Now, in the Properties panel on the right, define your dimensions and metrics. Dimensions are your categories, like product names or dates, and metrics are the values you want to measure, like sales or clicks. Want to customize your report's look and feel? Explore the theme and layout options in the Properties panel. You can change colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your brand. Add interactivity with controls. Click Add a control in the toolbar. Controls like drop-down lists and date range pickers allow viewers to filter the data and explore different segments. Finally, it's time to share your report. Click the Share button in the top right corner. You can invite specific people to view or edit the report, or generate a shareable link. That's how to make engaging reports on Looker Studio.